Welcome to another hot day in Batavia. It's been like this for a whole week now at least, and it's probably going to be hot for another week or so. This could be the hottest summer in years. Gotta love global warming. Hi, welcome to Jamie's Product Reviews. Well, as you know, I went to Walmart the other night and I found this Strawberry Toast Crunch. Yes, first there was Cinnamon Toast Crunch, then there was French Toast Crunch, and then there was, wasn't there Chocolate Toast Crunch, Peanut Butter Toast Crunch, and now Strawberry. Now these are kind of shaped like the pieces of a French Toast Crunch cereal. Oh yeah, you can smell the strawberry, so I'm not going to waste any time. Let's get this milk in here. Put this aside and let's not waste any time. Very crunchy, got a nice texture to it. There isn't quite as much strawberry flavor as I thought there would be. I mean, it's still there and it still tastes pretty flavorful, but it's not quite as prominent as I thought it would be. But I love the crunch and I love the texture of this. That's where this cereal really shines. Oh yeah. It's a cereal with a mild strawberry flavor and a nice crunch and a nice texture, so I'm going to give this a 4 out of 5. That's my review, and I'll see you next time. Bye.